Get back here.
Oh, where to?
Go! Alright, go.
Okay. Mine high.
Yep.
There they are.
Yeah, no shit. Man, that does not have the range you think it does. You better move up.
Headshot.
You alright? I think I shot him in the head. You alright? Yeah? I really hope I didn't hurt him. Alright. You over here. Up and over. Move, move, move! What are you doing?
I'm shut up there, yes.
No shit. Get up and over so you can flank him. Yeah, get up and over, and you'll see the holes. Just go. Go, 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 go. Ugh. What the hell are you doing? Flank!
Oh, right?
Flank! Flank!
Yeah, I'm out.
Mm-hmm.
Triple kill.
Sorry!
Oh man, it's going well.
Sorry!
Woo!
Yeah, I'm not like your cousin. I know when you're out. Yeah, sorry about that.
By the way, I'm not gonna do this tomorrow. I can't even find them. I'm out.
It's just me and you, Aaron! Two snipers staring off. Just like Enemy at the Gate. Except I'm not Jude Law or that awesome actor. Shit. There are wild blackberry bushes everywhere. Choose your pick.
Some are poisonous.
Mm.
Dude, you should see the side. You should see the roll now.
Huh?
You should see it now. It's freaking coming off the body.
Yeah, I see it, dude.
Like a millimeter.
Yeah. And I'm trying to figure out where Aaron is.
I can tell you that he's coming. What was that?
No idea.
Oh,
Oh, it's your gun.
good thing it wasn't yours.
Also, I've been snacking on these blackberry bushes for a while, and I haven't done anything to me yet.
Are you hallucinating?
You're thinking of shrooms.
What I think he might have done is he might have wrapped around. I'm not trying to give this position away, but he might have wrapped around. Like behind you.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check.
He may have done that on. Can you give me a pistol?
Hell no.
I didn't know you could.
Motherfucker, I came from a sailor family. All of us a Navy and Army.
Hello, mother. What was it? The purge thing?
Yeah, the purge.
Hello, mother.
Exactly. Kids today. Oh yeah, I might want to be careful, because if he did wrap around, I'm be dead man, actually. Oh, shit. Yep. He is there. Yep. Woo! Hello. Come on. Oh shit. Shit.
Come on, Aaron. Sound automatic.
Hit.
Wait, we win because he had your respawn.
Yep. Well, technically that was my last spawn. On.
Wait, did I shoot you?
Yeah.
Oh, where's Aaron?
Aaron's right there.
Hey! I mean, we had to do Sasquatch because we're in the ghillie suit.
Oh,
so
shit.
That's fine.
Dude,
job. I could
I
not.
was looking for you all the way over there.
I know.
Yeah, I nailed Nick. I didn't mean to nail him.
Ooh.
25 feet.
No, 35 feet actually.
He freaking
He
hit me
shot me right in the
here.
face.
I did not mean to. That's why I was asking if you were all right.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
fine.
Oh, thank God. Okay.
Actually, kind of hit my nose and bounced off the glasses and then hit me in the lip.
Hold on.
So good
Don't
thing
move.
you had the glasses. And I shot him.
Look.
Ah, dang it. That would have been so cool.
All right, is it lunchtime?
Yes.
let's
We
go.
do 2 games. We eat lunch. Come back and
Come
do
back
3
and play
more.
2 or 3 more?
3 more.
Three.
Come.
Heads out, buddy.
Of course you'll have shotgun next time.